Hi, I'm Garrett.
And I'm Shannon, and we're law students at Campbell Law, located in downtown Raleigh. Today, we're going to walk through some of the absolute essentials if you want to appeal your eviction case here in Wake County.
This video does not constitute legal advice, but is intended to offer general instruction about how to appeal an eviction judgment from small claims court. First, what's your timeline? If you've already been to court and you disagree with the small claims magistrate's decision, you have only 10 calendar days to file your appeal. Failure to file your appeal before the 10-day deadline means that the eviction becomes final and your landlord can have the sheriff remove you from your home.
But when does the clock start? Your 10 days begin the day after you were in court and the magistrate entered a judgment against you. If you were unclear about whether a judgment was entered against you, we encourage you to call the clerk's office or look up your case in the eCourts online portal. Note that you can still file an appeal even if you did not attend court or you were late to court.
How do you get started? There are 3 forms you will need to complete and file with the clerk in order to request an appeal court date. First, the Notice of Appeal form. It looks like this. This is the form that notifies the court, the landlord, and any other parties involved that you have filed your appeal. You must mail a copy of the filed notice to the landlord or the landlord's attorney if they have one.
Next, the petition to proceed as indigent. It looks like this. You will complete this form if you cannot afford to pay the appeal fee. The petition lists a few different ways that you can qualify for this appeal fee waiver. For example, if you receive public assistance.
The third form you will need to fill out is the bond to stay execution. Bond refers to rent bond. By completing this form, you promise to pay your rent to the clerk as it comes due until your appeal court date. Paying the rent bond allows you to remain in your home while your appeal is pending. If you fail to pay your rent bonds to the clerk when it comes due, your landlord can have you removed from your home by the sheriff. Your first rent bond payment may be due at the same time you file your appeal. The clerk can tell you the exact amount that you have to pay.
Now, this is a lot of information. Where can you go for help? Well, first, you can head to the Wake County Legal Support Center. The center is located on the first floor of the Wake County Courthouse, down the hallway, and behind the security desk. Here, they will be able to fill out your forms, print them out, and they even have Spanish speakers and notaries on staff. They are open during courthouse hours. Now, what if you want some legal help? Here are some resources. First, you can call Legal Aid of North Carolina, or you can call the Blanchard Community Law Clinic of Campbell Law School.
If you need other help with housing, you can reach out to Oak City Cares, Triangle Family Services, or Telemon Housing.
Now, just some final reminders. Keep paying your rent bond to the clerk each month as it comes due. Speak to a lawyer immediately. And keep checking your mail for a notice from the court, which will tell you when your appeal hearing has been scheduled. And finally, gather and keep any evidence you think could be useful in your appeal. We hope you found helpful this information about how to appeal an eviction judgment from small claims court.
We wish you all the best.